Next, let's cover Autopilot user provisioning of Windows devices and how it can revolutionize your IT operations. We'll cover the key advantages of this approach, including ease of use, limited admin intervention, drop shipping, elimination of image creation and maintenance, and user self-servicing. Windows Autopilot simplifies the deployment and management of new devices, making it easier for IT admins and end users alike. Here are the specific advantages. One of the standout features of Autopilot is its ease of use. With Autopilot, setting up a new device is as simple as turning it on and connecting to the internet. The device automatically enrolls in your organization's management system, applies the necessary configurations, and installs required applications. This streamlined process ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience for both IT admins and end users. Autopilot significantly reduces the need for admin intervention. Once the initial setup is complete, devices are managed remotely through Microsoft Intune. This means IT admins can focus on more strategic tasks rather than spending time on manual device configuration and troubleshooting. With Autopilot, you can take advantage of drop shipping. Devices can be shipped directly from the manufacturer to the end user, pre-configured with your organization's settings. This eliminates the need for IT to handle the devices physically, saving time and resources. Gone are the days of creating and maintaining custom images for each device type. Autopilot uses the out-of-the-box image provided by the OEM, which is then customized during the provisioning process. This not only reduces the workload for IT, but also ensures that devices are always up to date with the latest security patches and features. Finally, Autopilot empowers users to self-service their devices. Users can unbox their new device, connect to the internet, and follow a few simple steps to get up and running quickly. This reduces the dependency on IT support and allows users to be productive from day one. In summary, Autopilot user provisioning of Windows devices contributes to zero trust security and offers numerous advantages. It simplifies device setup, reduces admin intervention, enables drop shipping, eliminates the need for custom images, and empowers users to self-service. By adopting this approach, your organization can enhance security, improve efficiency, and provide a seamless experience for both IT and end users.